Okay, this video is on how to tin your solder, your brand new solder. You have a brand new solder that you just purchased. All you gotta do is tin it, make it ready to be able to do some soldering. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, enjoy it, share it. Forever subscriber, I get a subscribe back, and I only need about a few thousand likes. And make sure you click up here for more videos. You click up here for more videos, a lot of videos over here, and also at the end of this video. So this is what I'm gonna show you. So you get yourself some non-flammable um, area to work, because the solder gets the iron gets so hot. This the oh yeah, this is it's about to tend the solder iron, the solder iron, the iron solder iron. All right, so the iron gets super hot. This is the iron right here. It'll go right there like that. It'll go right there like that, like this, right here, right there. Go. So you get yourself something non-flammable, so you don't have to. This is one of the other tips. I got you use whatever many tips that you think you use. You wanna use. This is aluminum. It's non-flammable. The reason you need that is because because you don't want nothing to catch on fire, because it's the solder gets very hot. So right here, right now, we're gonna grab a little bit of what is it, of solder, all right? And we're gonna wrap it around. We're gonna wrap it around the tip right here like that. The reason we need to wrap it around is because we need to do that to be able to tin it, to tin the solder. There you go, right there, like that. It doesn't matter how you wrap it. It doesn't have a rule from tip to the thicker part of it, of the solder, or from the thicker part to the tip. As long as you wrap it around it and make it very tight, and just tie it up like that, you know. There you go. So I used a little bit of that, but I could probably use a little bit more for the thicker part of it. I am not very picky about the very top of it, because most of the times you use most of the times you use the tip. But this is how we're gonna tin the solder iron, right? So there. Now that is there. Now that is there. Now we're gonna plug it in. Okay. So there's the solder right there, and then we're gonna plug it in. I got my plug in right here. Now we plug it in, and we let the solder melt onto it, and it's gonna be a little. Make sure you have air flowing around, because it gets a little smoky as it gets hot. It gets a little smoky, and it gets and then it's gonna melt. That's gonna get melted right there. All right, so it's gonna get melted, it's good, and it's gonna be a little smelly, maybe, you know. Just take you keep your face away from that. There you go. Now it's melting. You see that? There you go. Now it's melting, right? Because this is a brand new solder, so we don't have to worry too much about doesn't have many other. We don't have to worry very much about cleaning it right now, because we're not cleaning it. It's not a it's the same procedure. The same procedure goes for cleaning it. All you need is a tip. It's a tip that's right on top, right there, like that. It's a, and then you make sure you clean it right here, like that. There you go. You got clean. There you go. And then we put it, and then we melt some solder into it, like that. Remember, we're not very picky about the top of it. Then we clean it. Clean it a little bit. A little cleanup. Like that. Then we put a little bit more on it. And clean it. Okay, now we let it get very hot again. And then this is gonna be like the end of it, the end of doing this. All right. Get it very hot. Needs to stay very hot, very hot. And we put a little bit on it. Okay. Oh, and then we gotta make sure. We gotta make sure we take that oxidation off a little bit, and the way to do it is just we do it like this. Watch, I'll show you. So we're cleaning it, and we put a little bit on it. Let me see. Yes, we put a little bit on it. Like that. Until you get a film on it, and you already got a film on it. So it's already got a film on it. All you got to do is come to your plug and disconnect it. You disconnect it, and your iron is already, thin. You thin your iron. Your iron is already thin. So now all you got to do is thin and ready. Thin and ready to use. Okay, don't forget, ready to use for whatever project that you may have. So don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and enjoy it. Give it a like and click up here for more videos. Up here, and down here, right here, right there, up there, and up there for more videos. Enjoy it and share it, and subscribe. And for every subscriber I get, I'll subscribe back. And for every likes I get, also I get likes back. I'll give likes back also. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.